Good morning, everybody. I'm Cameron, General Manager here at Palm Harbor in Cleveland, Texas. And today I have a lovely guest to come and talk with us. You've been hearing us talk about we have so many different builders that we carry and allow you guys to order homes through and build your custom homes through. Today we have Travis here, and he's with Cavco by Palm Harbor. Travis, tell everybody hi. We're standing in one of our favorite Cavco homes, which is our VZ Series 3268. It has the option of a 4-bedroom and a 5-bedroom home. Can you tell them a little bit about the bathroom option that we're standing in, Travis?
Sure, absolutely. This is what we call the luxury bath option. What we have behind us are 2 transom windows that you were able to get in this beautiful option. We have a standalone tub, and we've got a 48-inch one-piece fiberglass shower.
Perfect. And you know, we have customers that sometimes like they would love to have this size home, but maybe their land doesn't quite allow for it. Do we have something that's maybe this house but squeezed into a smaller package?
Absolutely. We've got a 32 by 56 that you can also option. It's a standard 3-2, but you can option it into a 4-2.
Perfect. We have a lot of customers that are like, it's got to be a 4-bedroom, not necessarily because I need 4 bedrooms, but in case somebody comes and visits, I don't want them sleeping on my couch. So it's nice to have those options. The other thing that's pretty awesome to remind our customers is that because you're Cavco with Palm Harbor, you still get that 12-year structural warranty.
Absolutely.
Fantastic, absolutely. We're so excited to have their product line, and the main reason we're here to talk to you guys today is because Cavco has decided to offer, I'm so excited,
Wait for
price
it.
protection series. So you've been hearing us talk about all the lumber price increases, material price increases, and Cavco just came out today and said, listen, we want everybody to know what the price is right up front. We don't want any changes for anybody, so we're going to eat those costs for your customer as long as you purchase the price protection series. So we're excited to tell you guys all about that. Give us a call at 281-592-8600. In case you didn't know where we were, we're located at 1152 Frontage Road in Cleveland, right off the 2025 Cold Spring exit. Anything you want to add before we leave, Travis?
Oh, just want to wish you a good day.
And come by Cavco, right?
That's right. Drive a little further to get a far better deal.
That's right. See you guys later.
Bye.